Hey guys, look here. Have you ever wondered how a complex part like this is made? Traditionally, it will need both CNC machine and a lens, meaning multiple setup and longer lead time. But here at RERP, we have a smarter and faster solution. Let's meet our true MVP in our workshop. Not me, Kent, or engineer Jimmy, but the Haas ST-20Y.
Don't worry, Jimmy, you are still important.
I thought I was being replaced by a robot again.
So, Jimmy, can you tell me why the Haas ST-20Y is a game changer for the part like this?
Sure, the ST-20Y is a turn mill center, which means it combines turning and milling in one setup. Complex shapes that need multiple machines can now be done with one clamping, saving time and ensuring high accuracy.
It's just like an all-powerful Iron Man. Can you give us more details?
For example, we can turn the shaft, mill the slots, and drill lateral holes all in one go.
That's amazing! I'm curious what kind of configuration gives it superpowers.
It features a y-axis with plus or minus 50.8 mm travel, a spindle with a speed of 4,000 rpm, a sub-spindle with a speed of 6,000 rpm, a powerful longitudinal system, and a 24-station turret. It accepts workpiece up to 198 mm in diameter and 572 mm in length.
How about we see it in action? Show us what it can do, Jimmy.
Right now, it's machining a nominal part, the y-axis, and the power tuning matchup by zipping a delicate coordinated dance. Everyone in perfect sync, but much louder. Cutting, drilling, taping, no need to stop and reset. Efficiency up, down, down, down.
The machining I've just seen is fast and accurate, so how much precision and surface quality can it achieve?
It consistently achieves plus or minus 3 micrometers tolerance and RA 0.8 micrometers surface finish, and can achieve a mirror finish if required.
If you need custom parts that demand high precision and efficiency, give us a try. We'd love to support your business.